In this video, we are going to discuss the mechanisms of immunosuppressants in depth, that how these agents act at the level of cell. So without any further delay, let's start our video on immunosuppressants. Let's break this term, immunosuppressant. Immune indicates towards our immune system, a complex network of cells, tissues, organs, and the substances they make that helps the body fight infections and other diseases. While suppressant means agent that suppress something, it means agent that suppress immune system of our body, or in other words, immunosuppressants are drugs that cause suppression of activity of the immune system. If immune system is defense system of our body, then why we need to suppress it? Well, when there is organ transplant, it can be rejected by recipient's immune system of body. So reason for suppressing immune system may be in case of preventing organ transplant rejection. So conclusion of this discussion is that immunosuppressants are drugs or medicines that lower the body's ability to reject a transplanted organ. Another term for these drugs is anti-rejection drugs. As we know, our immune system considers organ of another human as antigen or foreign substance to our body. So we suppress our immune system to prevent rejection of organ donated from another person or donor. Now the question arises that how we can suppress our immune system. In our many videos, we have discussed that one of the major cells of immune system is T-cell. Let's recall important points about T-cell together. This donor dendritic cell with MHC and peptide complex is stimulating a recipient T-cell and activating kinases. Activated T-cells secrete interleukin-2, which binds to receptors on neighboring T-cells. Interleukin-2 stimulates T-cell division. Now T-cell proliferation occurs. T-cell proliferation is part of the response to antigen. So from this, we can understand that interfering in different processes of T-cell, we can affect the function of T-cell, and if we interfere in the functions of T-cell, it indicates that through this interference, we can suppress T-cell, which leads to suppression of immune system. So, agents which play this role of suppression should be called as immunosuppressants. This was the basic concept you need to understand. Now let's find these points where we can interfere during the processes of T-cell. We can inhibit T-cell signaling molecules in order to decrease T-cell activation. We can prevent interleukin-2 binding to its receptor to deplete T-cell. We can inhibit intracellular signals produced by interleukin-2 binding to its receptor. We can inhibit T-cell proliferation. It means immunosuppressants can decrease T-cell activation and can deplete T-cell. This was all about this section. In our next section, we will discuss the classification of immunosuppressants. Don't forget to download our apps so you can watch our video lectures anytime, anywhere.